low, sleek, sexy lines, beautiful design, designed in a wind tunnel, a V12 engine. It had the promise of being a factory supercar. The opportunity is there. It's a front-engine, rear-drive car. It's set up for success, but it fails miserably.
The foundation on this XJS is solid and well designed, so why mess with it? The subframes don't need a pile of work, just a few quick, easy upgrades, and it starts with cleaning them up.
Front is just broken. The front is, it's like it's cast metal, and it's the ear is broken right off. Wow.
One of the things I liked the most about driving this car was the road feel, ABS, the suspension geometry, and rack and pinion steering. I guess we could throw a chassis under the car, but there's enough aftermarket parts just to enhance what's there. Respect the Jaguar engineers and improve this car big time. Trying out the new WD-40 Specialist Industrial Strength Cleaner Degreaser. This is a non-aerosol refillable bottle that's safe on stuff like aluminum and glass. They call it biosolvent, non-toxic, non-flammable, and non-corrosive. And it cleaned up the suspension parts big time, quick and easy. After a quick scuff down, Eastwood 2K Aerospray gives me a strong professional paint job on the subframe that comes from a spray can. The brakes are getting a mild upgrade, some Duplicolor paint, and some upgraded pads and rotors. EBC yellow stuff pads and sport rotors. Now the rotors have dimples and slots to improve pad life during hard braking. This from the YouTube. The final upgrade is a set of lowering springs that go in with an interesting homemade tool. The springs come from Jaguar Specialties. And some QA1 shocks, double adjustable, that will really improve handling, and that's all this car needs to get us one step closer to having an actual factory supercar.